Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and if you're watching this video, you're probably thinking of starting a YouTube channel, but you're a little lost or overwhelmed. I get asked quite often, Sandy, how do you actually start a YouTube channel? Where do I begin? And this video is going to answer that question. But before I carry on, I try to post videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so please hit that subscribe button. Let's start from the very beginning. I'm going to go ahead and assume that you've created your own channel with a unique, interesting and catchy channel name. After you've created your channel, you want to fill in the about section of your channel. You might think nobody ever reads this, but if you're someone who's interested in using your channel to reach out and work with other businesses and brands, this is really important. So you just want to go ahead and describe your channel, maybe when you upload, how frequently you upload, a little bit about your content on your channel so people or brands know what to expect from your channel. And you also want to make sure you link all of your other socials to your YouTube channel, so somebody who doesn't know you and finds you through YouTube can easily find your other socials. This also just adds to the completion and professionalism of your entire channel by doing these little things. And the next step is channel art. Please take the time to do this before you start uploading videos. Now this includes the YouTube banner on the top of your channel as well as your profile picture. And you want both of these pictures to work together and help complement the type of content that you're going for. A lot of people have the YouTube profile picture, but I've often seen people forget to do the banner. If you don't know how to make a banner, there's lots of different ways. YouTube is your best friend when starting a YouTube channel. So what you want to do is literally go to the search bar and search how to make a YouTube banner. You will find thousands of tutorials, and you pick a tutorial that suits your creation method. What I mean is, if you use an Android phone, look for a tutorial that makes a YouTube banner on an Android phone and follow that. If you're using a laptop, find a tutorial using Photoshop or something like Microsoft Publisher. Personally, I wanted to create a banner on my laptop using Microsoft Publisher, and that's what I looked for. And I found a really great video that helped me. I'll try and link it. And I was lucky enough to find a template for my YouTube banner, and I will link the template down below in my description. So do go and check that out because it has further instructions on the template on how to make a banner with the correct formatting. Now the next step is to really know the type of videos that you want to make. Are you interested in gaming videos, makeup videos, cooking videos? And it's important to know this because different types of videos are filmed differently. Do you need to record a voiceover? Do you need to record gameplay? By the way, I recommend using OBS if you do need to record gameplay. What style of recording typically fits with your niche? Now to find this out, again, you go to your best friend YouTube and you search for videos in this niche that you're interested in. You see how they do it and you try and use a similar style, because viewers from that specific audience is going to be used to and interested in watching videos with a similar type of format. Once you know how you're going to film, you want to jot down any important notes for your video. It might be the structure of your video, it might be specific keywords and points that you don't want to forget. Different types of videos require different types of planning. The next step is to actually record your video, and please do it in landscape. If you tell me you started a YouTube channel and you record your videos in portrait, I'm disowning you. This is YouTube, not TikTok. And this is coming from a TikToker. Just because it's more compatible with the platform, viewers are used to seeing a landscape video, rotating their phone and viewing it in full screen. Watching something that is vertical is very unappealing and feels awkward to watch on YouTube, especially for a longer video. Now, when it comes to your video background, you don't have to have a green screen or a solid backdrop of some sort, because not all of us can record in a studio. As long as you remove the checkers plastics from your background and put your clothes in your closet, it should be fine. And what I do is I put some interesting object in my background, so if anybody does look behind me, they look at said interesting object. That being that little unicorn on the shelf. It doesn't normally live there. It comes out whenever I record a video. Yes, you need good lighting, but no, if you're a beginner, you do not need to straight out go and purchase a ring light. I am not using a ring light right now, and I do not even own a ring light, because how do you expect me to do product reviews and still afford a ring light? My money goes on the products. Jokes? Not really. Just sit in front of a window. That's all. If you don't have a window, then you might want to really consider getting a ring light. Editing your videos. Now, for this part again, YouTube is your best friend. If you want your videos to look professional, you're going to have to take the time to do some form of editing. But if you're a beginner, small little jump cuts is good enough. Personally, I use Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2020 on my laptop to edit, and I took the time to go through YouTube tutorials on how to use the software, because it's something that a lot of professional YouTubers and video editors use when making their videos. But there's lots of simpler alternatives like iMovie or Windows Movie Maker. Or if you're using a phone, you might want to consider editing with something like InShot, iMovie, Luma FX, or Adobe Rush. Next up is creating a thumbnail. This is incredibly important. What does someone see before they watch your actual video? Your thumbnail. Not even the title of your video, your thumbnail. If it doesn't look appealing, people are not going to click on it. You want your thumbnails to have a 16:9 aspect ratio landscape. Personally, I use Microsoft Publisher on my laptop to design my thumbnails, but you could also do it on your phone using something like PixArt. If you don't really know what you should be designing your thumbnails like, go look at other popular creators in your specific niche and see what they are doing for their thumbnails. After you have your video and your thumbnail, you want to upload your precious baby that's probably taken you hours to create at this point, and you want to use YouTube Studio to do this. If you're on your computer, just go to your browser, type in YouTube Studio, open the website, log in with your channel, and you'll see a whole YouTube creator interface, and this is where you can upload your videos. If you're doing it on your phone, you can download the YouTube Studio app to do this. You just click upload, and when you upload your video, you just fill out all the options, so your title, your description, you can add your video in a playlist, add your tags, and when you're done uploading, you can choose to publish it or schedule your video. And then just remember to share your video on all of your socials. Now that's it for today's video. I think I've covered the bare necessities, the basics of starting a YouTube channel, but I'm going to make a separate video to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, because creating a content and a channel combined with tactics to to grow. Your content and your brand go hand in hand. So do make sure to check out that video whenever it is uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment down below, share this video, and don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!